How's it going, everybody? This is Captain6 Coding, and today I'm back again with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is a quick tutorial on how to create a type of button. It's not any kind of button that you would guess. It's not a square shaped button. It's not a kind of button that we have created before, of course. It is more like a checklist button. I'll show you later when we have created the button. It's called Radio Button, and it's quite easy to create. Maybe it won't even take us to 10 minutes. Probably will only take us about 5 minutes and we'll be done. That's it. Okay, so of course we need to create a class first. Class. And then name it. Let's just name it JRadio Example. Finish. Okay, now let's start to create the code. Okay, so first off we need to create the constructor for this code. JRadio Example. There you go. Now once we have the constructor, first I like to do is create the main method first. Main string. Done. And then after that we'll create everything that is needed to create this JRadio button inside this JRadio constructor. Okay, so now we'll create the JFrame. Equals new JFrame. Done. And then we'll set the size for the JFrame to be 300 by 300. Then we'll set the set layout to be null. F.Z visibility. This is the one that really matters, because if it's not visible then we won't be able to see anything. Done. Basically now we have created the JFrame. Let's just now see if our JFrame would show up. New, and then click run. Let's see. Okay, now our JFrame has shown up, and then we need to move on to the next step, which is creating the JRadio button. So we do it by creating JRadio button R1. We're going to name it R1 equals new JRadio button, and then inside this we're going to name our JRadio button to whatever name we want. So we're going to create this as like an option. Like yes, and then we'll create another JRadio button R2 equals new JRadio button. Then we'll create this B. No, it's over. Done. And now we'll import this JRadio button, and we'll set the bounds for this JRadio button. Setting the bounds for this JRadio button means determining in which part of the JFrame area we would have the JRadio button to be displayed in. We do it by doing this r1.set bounds. We do it in this code. The x is supposed to be, because we're creating a JFrame in 300 by 300, and I'm going to set the x of the JRadio button to be 50, and then the y to be 100. The width, because the width is to be this length, and the width is supposed to be 70, would be just alright. Then the height 30 will be perfect. And R2 that set bounds. The one x to be same as R1, and then the y for the R2 is supposed to be underneath the R1 JRadio button, so we need to increase the number so it's below our R1 JRadio button in our JFrame. 150 should be enough. This should be 70, and this should be 30. There we go. Now it won't show up in our JFrame yet. Why? Because we haven't added the R1 and the R2 into our JFrame. And before we do that, we need to create the button case. Like, we need to put this R1 into a button group. BG. Close new group. Then we'll import this button group, and it basically group this two button into our JFrame. bg.add R1 and then bg.add R2. Now after we have done this, now we can place our JRadio button into our JFrame by doing this f.add. It basically means adding some object an object into our F or our JFrame. F.add R1 and F.add R2. Add R2. Done, and that's it. That's all the code you have to write in order to create this JRadio button, and the outcomes should look like this. There we go. Here we are. We have our JRadio button. This is all it does, and it's pretty useful if you create something that you need to like have a button in it which like check the list or something like that. Any type of code that you want, you can implement this into your games, into your software, or anything you want. And okay, that's it for today's video tutorial on JRadio button. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from Captain S6 Coding. And until then, happy coding.